What's up, everyone? I'm here in Lake Elsinore at the annual Honda meet, and we're here for a really good time, guys. We have a lot of cool cars, people, and vendors, so let's check them out. So cute. That downforce.
Don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
Alrighty, guys, so I just ran into Mike. Mike, what kind of car are you driving?
It's an EG, it's a 92 hatch CX.
Nice. So obviously it's not modified, it's stock completely. I'm just kidding. So what's done to the car?
Man, everything you can think of, yeah. I mean, I've had this car for like 23 years.
Okay.
So it's been kind of like it's gone through a lot of different like changes. It used to
Yeah.
be turbo. First it was all motor, then it was turbo, then it went to another turbo kit, then another turbo kit. Then I blew that up, and then now it's back to being all motor now. So.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I used to track it too, so I went to the track before with it. So,
wow,
so
but not anymore?
No, it's not. It's just not. Now it's more like a cars and coffee shows and
Yes.
stuff kind of car now too. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
so
I love it.
It's an all motor setup. It's fully built from the ground up.
Wow.
It makes like 243 on pump gas.
Oh my
all
gosh.
motor, so it's a pretty good setup, you know. So.
That's
it's fun.
awesome.
Yeah,
So what's your favorite thing that you've done to it?
I would probably say the valve cover.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And your front lip, everything.
Thanks, appreciate it. Yeah, so my buddy Mike from Plan B Motorsports, that's like a billet valve cover CNC.
Wow.
And then we had it Cerakoted in camo, so.
That is so
Yeah,
cool.
something. I always try to have like some custom stuff on this car because like these days kind of everything's off top the shelf stuff.
It is, yeah.
So like my strut bar, AEC fabrication made my bar for me, put the
Oh,
clamp.
that's so cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like my
Do you have a military background or like?
No. So I was always been obsessed with the whole army green, like
Yeah.
camo look, you know. So yeah.
You
for
rock
sure.
it for
yeah,
sure.
Appreciate it.
Do you have any future plans for the car?
I think I want to go back to boost again eventually.
Okay.
I miss it. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I
What
think
about cosmetic wise?
Cosmetic wise, the whole thing on the car, everything's all spoon right now. So the only thing I want to eventually put is the spoon lip back on.
Okay.
Yeah, but this one's actually, my buddy made this one. It's from Phantom Composites. I
Yeah.
don't know if you've ever seen his work before, but
No, I'll have
he
to
makes
check
his
him
own lips and stuff out of his house, actually.
Wow.
Yeah. So he made this camo kind of carbon lip for me.
We have to shout all these people out in the video.
Yeah,
'cause
yeah, for
honestly, this work deserves to be
Appreciate
displayed.
it. Yeah. So
Good for
there's
you.
a lot of people that have been involved with this project over the last, I don't know, 20 plus years. So I mean, like there's a lot of like history and people that aren't even around anymore. Some passed
Yeah.
away. So the
Oh,
car's like
wow.
super sentimental to me now, you know?
I love that.
Yeah,
That's
so-
cool. So are you always coming out to these shows?
Yeah, I've been
and stuff
coming here since the first one back in 2004, I believe,
too? Wow.
when it was in Corona.
Wow.
So the
He's
first,
an OG.
Yeah. So this event's been around forever. They used to be at the Corona facility,
Mm-hmm.
and then they finally moved it. First, it went to Urbandale. Urbandale wasn't working at that location, and then
Yeah.
they've been over here for I don't know how many years now.
Wow. Yeah, this is the only one I've ever been to. So
Yeah.
I'm, I guess, a little bit newer to the
Yeah. So
community
before it
there.
used to be called the IBOC meet.
Oh,
So remember
okay.
that? Remember the IBOC meet? So,
Yeah.
And then Ryan ended up leaving IBOC.
Yeah,
So now the event's actually called the Honda meet now.
I love that.
Yeah. So I
Plain
kind of
and
like
simple.
it's more
Straight
catchy
to the
name now too.
point.
So
Yeah.
for sure. So
I love that.
and the location's big because it's such a big, huge venue, so they get to a lot more space here.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Dang, good for
So, yeah, I
you.
appreciate you. You know, giving me a shout out.
I
listening,
know.
you know, it's cool.
What's your
Finally,
Instagram so people
I
can
don't
follow
have
you?
one. Dude, people always say that, dude. I don't
Sir,
know.
your assignment when you go home.
Dude.
People want to see this stuff too.
Dude, I've been
but-
off this for like 3 years, and it's probably I feel better with that. I don't know, I just don't want it anymore.
You
so,
know what?
Yeah, it's cool.
I
You know
feel
what I mean?
that because
Yeah.
it can be really addictive.
But it's hard for my sponsors and stuff because they all want to know what I'm doing with the
For
car and stuff. So it's kind of a little bit
real?
tough, but
We'll just have to have you on the YouTube channel more.
yeah, for sure, absolutely.
Every meet, we'll have to get you on here.
There you go.
Well, Mike's off the grid, guys, but stay tuned. I would love to feature his car even more. So yeah, let me know actually in the comments if you want to see like a full video, I guess, going in depth in Mike's car. You let me know. We'll make it happen.
Appreciate you.
You take it or leave it.
Alrighty, guys. So this is Jaren from Wrenchmob Motorsports. So give us a rundown of what Wrenchmob is.
Basically, we decided to manufacture some brakes for the Honda guys, like using the 90s, like the 90 eras Hondas, to make a brake kit. People were already using like the Mini Cooper rotors on their cars,
Yeah.
but it's kind of like a gimmick to me. It didn't really work. It was like a part that you could just throw in on there and then, you know. So I decided to make something that fit the chassis and was specific for the chassis. So we make this 298 millimeter brake rotor kit right here. This was the first kit that we came out with. Now we have 4 kits out. We have one for the TL Type S Brembos, the spoon brakes, and then the Porsche 986 stuff.
Wow. So we actually have this set up on the Civic now. If you guys remember, we did the whole Mini Cooper rotor setup way back in the day, and I'll link that video in case you want to see, but I definitely recommend going this route instead. Do you guys have Instagram?
Yeah, you can find us on Instagram. It's Wrenchmob Motorsports. Yeah, you guys have now you guys have the Porsche set on the Civic, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you guys have been running those for a while. One of the OG customers, man, I love these guys.
And we also just went to the Streets of Willow track day, if you guys caught that video, and the performance was amazing overall. So we tested it out for you already, and we give it the JDM Crystal thumbs up. So you guys got anything else coming up?
We got some more applications in the works. Right now we're working on rears. A lot of people have been asking about those. So we're manufacturing some rear rotor options for the Honda guys as well.
Nice.
And then we're gonna be bringing out some rotors for the newer applications like the FL5 and cars like that. So we're gonna be adding those to the product lineup. So we got some stuff in the works for you guys.
Perfect. So keep up to date with what they're doing, guys. Give them a follow, check out their website, and if you want to go this route, I definitely recommend it. It's already been tested.
You take it or leave it.
So I have to say, just from walking around, this is probably my favorite EK that I've seen. This EK9 is just mint. It obviously has the Phoenix yellow paint, making it stand out, and it looks so good. Looking under the hood here, this is just a legit Honda, guys. So nice. This is right-hand drive as well. Everything about it is beautiful. I mean, these wheels are just so perfect. Really complements the car nicely. And of course, the recliner seats. I love that, and that radio delete too. Thumbs up for me, guys. This is my favorite EK. Alrighty, guys, so I've spotted my friend Chris. He has a really nice EG. If you want to follow him on Instagram, it's EK9 Imposter. Give him a follow. So for anybody who's been wondering where the Integra went, here it is. This is Cade. We sold the Integra to Cade. So Cade, what have you done to the Integra since you've gotten it?
So got some new wheels for it. Got rid of the GSR blades, even though I loved them. They're on some Circuit Performance CTR reps.
Nice.
And I routed my own cold air intake to the bottom.
Oh.
Got a spoiler for it.
Oh yeah, we got to check out the
Got
back.
an exhaust system for it.
Nice.
Gutted the rear. I plan to put in a cage. Then after that, I plan to get a VTEC head, do a little poor man's Type R build.
Wow, that's amazing. So are you gonna track this car or what?
Yeah, definitely.
Nice. When's the next track day you're going to?
Whenever I get better brakes.
Okay. So what's your favorite thing about the car?
My favorite thing about the car is definitely just how it looks in general. I like the body style of the Integra a lot more than the EK. I love these cars so much.
Yeah.
And then also the engine, definitely an upgrade from my last car.
Good. Is this your dream car?
Yes, it was. It
Yeah?
actually is, yeah. But
at that.
obviously a Type R, you know?
We're making dreams come true. All right, Cade, so the question everybody's wondering, how old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18?
And I'm graduating high school tomorrow.
Congratulations. Well, guys, I really love seeing the younger crowd get into the car scene. I mean, he's been into the car scene forever, but that just goes to show they're not all about the takeovers and everything. We have some good car enthusiasts that are still into the Honda world and the Honda scene. So what's your Instagram so people can follow you?
EK_Cade.
Give him a follow, guys, and keep up with his build. Alrighty, guys, so this is my new friend, Jeremy. Jeremy, what is this?
This is the Honda-Stang. It's
Nice.
a 1965 Mustang, body swapped on a 2005 Honda Accord.
So what gave you the inspiration to do this?
Unfortunately, I can't take credit for the build. I mean, it's cool, so I had
Yeah.
to get it. You know?
Yeah.
I had to get it, and I had to come out to the Honda meet. Why not?
You had me fooled. I was like, what is this Mustang doing here? But
Everyone thinks it's a Mustang, but it's a whole Honda Accord. that
Yeah.
they just swapped.
wow. So any future plans with the Honda-Stang? Or?
Definitely. Hopefully going to be manual, turbo, all-wheel drive in the future.
Okay.
The most reliable Ford and best looking Honda Accord around.
Wow, that's amazing. This is definitely the most rare build I've ever seen, but honestly in 2024, you can do whatever you want. So that's awesome.
Appreciate the love.
Well, the Honda-Stang guys, go ahead and give him a follow if you want to keep up with the build and see what else he's got in store for his car. So thank you so much, Jeremy, for the interview.
Thank you.
So this Civic EJ6 stopped me. It is honestly so clean all around, really nice engine bay, red interior, the wheels are beautiful. I'm in love with this one, guys. Let's take a look around so you can see it.
You take it or leave it. Washed up.
This one is definitely my favorite EJ6 that I've seen, so JD and Crystal, thumbs up. This is my new friend, Eric. Eric, what kind of car are you driving?
We're driving a 2021 Honda Civic Type R FKA, boost blue color.
It's gorgeous. I love all the red accents that you have along the car. So was that factory or?
It's a factory accessories that come in with the extra package with the carbon fiber. They come in with the scum hood, the mirror, interior, and the wing. That's from the
beautiful.
factory. Yeah.
Even the carbon fiber has red in it too.
Yeah.
That is so
Yeah.
cool.
Yes.
I love that. So
Thank
do
you.
you have any future plans with the car?
The future plan for the car is get some wheels, 18 inches wheels,
Nice.
and maybe doing something with the air intake.
Okay, awesome.
Nothing major. I will try to keep it stock as possible.
Yes, yeah. Well, it's built for good performance anyway.
Yeah.
So what would you say is your favorite thing about the car?
The favorite thing in the car is the interior. The
Interior?
seat is really comfortable. Really
Okay.
comfortable. Yeah.
That's awesome. Are they heated seats and everything too?
No.
No?
Not on the FKA.
Okay. What year is this again?
2021.
Wow, very nice. So have you been to the Honda Meet before? Is this your first time being
This
in
is
the show?
my second time. The first time coming like 12 years ago.
Okay.
And I bring older car. It was a 1990 Honda Civic EF.
Oh,
And this is the second time that I come into this one.
look at you. Welcome
Yeah.
back. And
Thank
did you
you.
come alone today or are you with friends?
I got with friends over there. They're
Okay.
parking on the different spot, but we had like 20 different cars.
Oh, wow. Is it part of a group or?
No, not really.
No, just
not
your
really.
friend
It's
group.
just friends, yeah. Friend
Okay,
group, yeah.
that's awesome. Well, what's your Instagram so that people can follow you?
Sure, my Instagram is _EM1_FKA.
Perfect. Awesome. We'll be sure to link that in there for you guys. But thank you so much for the
You're welcome.
interview.
Thank you very much.
Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want to believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it.
Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna wrap up this video for today. Thank you so much to everybody who let me interview you. If you ever catch me out at one of these meets, definitely say hi to me. I would love to feature your car and get to know you a little bit more and connect. I mean, I do these videos for you guys and it's really important for me to network and get to meet more of you. So that's all I have. If you like this video, you already know what to do. And until next time, JD and Crystal out.